Run Android games and apps on PC or Mac. So this is the first Android emulator with Android 15 built for peak performance. As for today, July 2026, this is the first one with Android 15. We're going to check it out in this video, and it's available for Windows, Mac, and Windows with ARM. So I'm going to check it out. I've already downloaded it and installed it, and look at it right here. This is how it looks like. This is a Momo player, one of the best Android emulator for Windows. I think it is better than BlueStacks in my opinion. I have used so many of them. I have used Core Player. I have used LD Player. I think I like this one better. For my configuration, it automatically allocates 4 cores and 5 gigs of RAM. I have 24 gigs of RAM in this system, so it 24 gigs of RAM. So it automatically allocates 5 gigs of RAM for the emulator, and the resolution we'll be using here is 1600 by 900, which is the optimized settings it's recommend. Now it has launched. We are going to go to the settings, go to system, about phone. As you can see right here, it is Android 15. So, and it's very, very fast. I use it to watch this popular streaming app, which is actually free. So, because currently I don't have an Android, so I had to use this emulator. So let me know what you think about the emulator, because this is one of the best one around. It has controller support. You can use it to play your games, and it has game boost mode. You can tweak so many things if you want. This is where you can allocate how many gigs of RAM you want to allocate for the emulator. You can use Vulkan or OpenGL. I think Vulkan is more stable for high performance. I have video about this emulator on my channel, but that was when they were still running on Android 12. So I was surprised to see them release an Android 15 version. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.